how to buy a Metacade token. This token came under the symbol of the MCADE. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. Now to be able to buy this token, make sure to open it on CoinMarketCap, and after that copy the token address from here. Remember, this token address is under the base network. Now open your wallet. For this I will use the Metacade wallet. Now after that, select the network from here as the base. Now after that, click on this plus icon, paste the token address that you copy from CoinMarketCap. This is our token. Click on plus icon. Now go back to your wallet, find that token there, and after that click on it, click on swap, and now switch from here, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and make sure you have enough USDC of course in your wallet to be able to buy this token. Now here type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive of that token. After that, it's simple, just click here on buy and you will buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy the Metacade token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.